It's interesting. You brought up the new thing, the protection, the Horses Protection Act here recently. This is going to, granted, it just came out, so we don't know the full details on what they're going to be looking at and stuff. This is going to affect the total entire way that you approach a horse that's got crushed heels or something like that. Or I know we're getting a little bit off topic as far as, the importance of the trimming of the foundation,
right.
but the foundation is letting you do your job for what's best for the horse. And is it going to just be for sporting horses or event horses or people, or what about like the mom and pop who's got,
Well, right now, I
like
don't think they're going to be looking at Seabiscuit that's going trail riding out in the field. And, there have been people that have told me when you trim a horse, if you don't make him sore, you're not trimming him good enough, and wanted him trimmed that hard. And I don't think that's ever a good idea to intentionally make a horse sore. I mean, don't get me wrong, as far as that goes. But, at this point, I do not understand the rules I'm going to have to live within as far as my job. And so we're just going to, here you are, deal with it. And I'm not clear with a lot of things, and I need to be clear with a lot of things.
So, we're going to have Richard Malgrim on the show next week.
Right.
Is that going to affect him as well? Because he does the long lining. Mm-hmm. Is that going to be something that falls underneath this new act that's coming out?
Well, as it was said in some of the literature, that the way a horse is ridden could be considered soring. If you're trimming a horse too hard and it gets tenderfooted because it's a flat-footed horse, and there was a little bit of callus knocked off of there, and the horse gets sore. Is that going to be considered soring?